Ang strong niya talaga, guys.
Thank you, Sarah. Happy birthday!
Ang maganda kasi sa pamilya nila, wala silang pakialam. Sabi ko na, Barbie eh. Sabi ko na?
Sabi ka, Barbie eh.
Again. Takbo tayo. Sabi niya, weird naman ito. Nagtakbo tayo. Tapos holding hands pa talaga. Good morning! Happy Sunday! Tapos na yan maligo, guys. Nakaalis na yan. Ang dami na niyang nagawa. Ako kakatapos ko lang. Umalis si Dan kanina. Pumunta rin naman siya sa lote. Tapos, kinuha niya yung cake para sa mama ni Dan mamaya. So, we will go early. Yung usapan is alauna eh. Ngayon, 10:30 pa ng umaga. Pupunta kami ng maaga. Sabi ni Dan, gusto niya daw mag-coffee doon. And share ko lang sa inyo. Naubos na yung aking Versace on the floor. Wala na. Tinapon ko na, guys. And yung basura, wala na. Tinapon ko na talaga siya kasi napuno yung basura ko dito na maliit. Anyway, yung uubusin ko naman ngayon is itong maliliit. Napaka-negative ko sa mga ganito, guys. Kasi kung aamuyin mo siya, hindi talaga ako nababanguhan sa kanya. Napaka-strong nung amoy niya. Pero in fairness, sa lahat ng nagamit ko, ito pala yung Louis Vuitton na mga sample. Meron silang like whole collection na binigay nga nila sa akin. Nagamit ko na, hindi ko alam. Siguro 3 na yung nagamit ko. Once ginamit ko siya, inuubos ko talaga siya. Siguro not necessarily like isang sprayhan kasi madami siya. Pero that day, yun talaga yung gagamitin ko. So, naubos ko talaga siya in 1 day. And in fairness, sa lahat ng nagamit ko, sa 3, okay sila, naglalast sila sa akin. Aamuyin ko sana yung sarili ko, pero nakaligo na ako lahat, tas bago na yung damit ko. Pero hindi ko pinapansin ko ano yung gamit ko, basta lang maubos ko sila. Kahapon kasi kami lang naman dalawa ni Dan, so parang wala akong pakialam kung like, kung strong man yung ko ba, perfume ko. Pero, yeah, strong talaga siya. Pero, nag-ano siya eh, wag na talaga. Ang strong niya talaga, guys. Pag nagtutone down yung amoy niya, pag gumanon sa ilog ko, nagtutone down siya. Anyway, itong gamit ko is, konting spray nga lang yun. Parang gumanon na siya, pumunta na siya sa utak ko. This is Cerlaro. Okay, hindi ko alam. Joke lang. Pero yan. Gusto ko maubos lahat ng ganito ko. After ko maubos lahat ng ganito ko, uubusin ko naman yung Daisy na Marc Jacobs. Inubos ko yung mga malalaki yung bote. Kasi diba yung Versace, malaki din siya. Para mas lalong kumonti yung natin. Pero itong maliliit muna unahin ko para mawala na yung maliliit. In fairness sa spray nito ha, kahit na ang liit-liit niya, talaga siya, bongga ang kanyang spray. Gusto ko siyang ubusin. Nagsispray ba kayo doon sa loob? Nagsispray kasi ako. Sinuot ko ulit yung necklace na bigay sa akin ni Dan nung first anniversary namin. Cross siya. Kaya lang yung chain niya, parang may naghihingalo na part, na parang naputol yung, hindi naman siya completely putol, pero parang isang chain na lang. Kasi maraming chain siya, diba? Paikot. Isang chain na lang yung natira. Kasi parang nawala yung, like, basta nag-surround sa kanya na chain. So, nagsuot ako ng ibang chain. Pero, yeah. Ayoko kasi na mawala siya. Kasi bigay siya ni Dan. Ito, nag-tone down na siya. And okay na yung amoy niya. Hindi ko alam kung anong pangalan ng collection na to. Pero Louis Vuitton siya, guys. Pero wala, hindi pa naman ako nakatanggap ng compliment sa mga ganito na sinuot ko. Kahit na kay Dan, wala. Yung lagi ko talagang nakakatanggap ako ng compliment. Wait, dahan-dahan. Agoy-agoy, ma-outbalance na naman kayo. Dahan-dahan, ha? Yung laging nakakatanggap ako ng compliment kay Dan, every time talaga na ito suot ko, napapansin niya talaga. Yung Tiffany & Co. Kapag ito yung suot ko, sabihin niya talaga, you smell good. Napapansin niya talaga to. Okay, okay. Dahan-dahan, dahan-dahan. Babe, I'm ready when you are. Babe? Asan siya? Danny boy? Hala, wala pala siya dyan. Akala ko na dyan lang siya. Anyway, ready na ako. Hintayin ko lang na hindi siya masyadong mainit para ma-put away na natin siya. Tingnan mo tong taong to. Di man lang inayos. Okay. Danny boy! Danny boy! I'm ready.
Alright, let's go.
You ready? Okay, let's go. Alis na kami, guys. Tingnan nyo to. Merong ganito sina Pete, sina Sharon. Ano siya? Pang butas ng belt, ng bag. Like, lahat na kailangan butasan. Kung alam ko lang na meron pala silang ganito. Kasi bumili si Dan ng belt nung nag-shopping kami diba last weekend. And yung belt niya medyo malaki eh. Char, in fairness sa kanya. Nanghiram kami nito para butasan yung belt niya. And sabi ko, gamitin ko yan sa mga bags ko. Kasi diba maraming bags ako na mahaba yung strap kaya hindi ko nagagamit. We got this on Wednesday nung nag-family dinner kami nung birthday talaga ng mama niya. Pero hindi ko pa nag-go through lahat ng bags ko para gamitin to. So hindi muna namin siya ibabalik. Pero diba, ang galing, may ganyan. Iba-ibang sizes din siya. Ipapakita ko sa inyo. Gagawin ko siya sa mga bags. Pero punta muna tayo dun. I have all the gifts here for your mom as well, my love. Or our gifts. Para sa kanya. Nirap ko na siya. Ito yung Jimmy Choo na perfume. Yung Maybelline Matte Ink, hindi ko na siya nirap. And then yung diffuser. O diba, bigay natin yan sa kanya. No Wednesday, binigay namin sa kanya yung bag. Yung Teddy Blake na bag na in-unbox namin ni Dan. Binigay namin sa kanya. And masaya siya. Masaya siya dun. In fairness naman talaga sa kanya. Oh, good?
Yeah, I went a couple trips to the car today.
Okay. Masaya siya dun, guys. Sabi niya, hindi ko to gagamitin kasi ang fancy-fancy. Sabi ko, wag. Gamitin mo. So, yung kambal din ni Dan, sabi din, gamitin mo, uy. Kasi, sayang kung hindi magagamit. Pero sabi namin sa kanya, hindi yan yung totoong gift mo kasi hindi naman namin yun binayaran. Hindi naman namin yun binili. Okay.
You feel like a grown-up driving, my love?
A grown-up? Driving or not driving, I'm a grown-up. You don't have to drive to feel like a grown-up. Just saying. I'm gonna go after this white car, my love.
Yeah, that's right.
See? Nice and safe. Very nice and safe.
Alright, better be safe than sorry.
That's right. So we're heading to mommy's, guys. The early bird catches the worm.
Catches a worm.
Wow. Mommy is 62. Isn't she, my love?
Sure is.
I'm sure is 62.
Is she?
Yeah. She's 62.
She is too.
How old do you think she is?
Hey, alright. She's
Busy, babe?
very busy.
Instagram pa more.
Very busy.
Ito pala yung platter, guys, na pinick up natin kahapon. See? And then Dan's got the cake and bread. Okay. I'll take the platter in.
Yep.
Oh, wait, so. I have a birthday present for you. This is the real present now.
Oh, that was a big present. Yeah. Thank you.
Sarah. Happy birthday.
You're right there. You look good today.
Your music, Mum.
It's good?
That's
Is that not going to copyright?
okay, there, wasn't it?
Yeah. Oh, look at all your cards.
Yeah.
Who buys cards? We don't. Nah, who don't cards these days?
Look at that. Do you know what that is?
Everything.
A what?
Yes.
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 Everything.
Yeah,
Ah, diffuser.
Yeah, diffuser.
Yeah.
What I wanted, what I ran out of.
Yes.
What I like.
This smells really good. This is what we have in the bathroom and in the room.
This is nice.
Yeah. I like this one. I think you like this as well.
Hey Google, turn off music.
Good job.
You don't need to get copyrighted. You're not gonna drink that, are you?
No, I can't get off and get enough. Okay.
Do you want to use it now?
Oh yeah, everything's fine.
Get Raz to do it, because you might
That's alright, she's doing it.
be here a while.
No, you gotta be careful so because you don't want to waste it.
Yeah, exactly right.
Mum will spill it.
It lasts forever.
Doesn't last forever.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Yeah.
No, that's nice. That is
That's
really
pretty
nice.
good.
Thank
Do
you.
you want to be on camera, Kay?
I know. I'll leave that.
Come on,
I'll leave the star there. That is nice.
I feel the same way. That smells good.
Jimmy's shoe.
Yeah, do you have that?
No.
No? Okay.
No. Oh,
I'm not sure
wow.
if you like it.
Oh, I wouldn't like it, but like everything you buy.
Thank you.
We've got a smelly thing for the bathroom.
Oh yeah. Did you run out of the other one completely?
Yes. And you want to buy something on no.
Yeah,
That
yeah.
lasted a year, didn't it?
The whole punch of Pete, we're going to bring that, but Raz wants to still use it for some stuff.
Yeah, for my desk.
So we have, and I've done most of the backyard. I haven't quite finished the.
He did really good. Yeah, he.
Working okay?
I took some photos to show you.
Oh, cool.
Oh, good. It's easy, isn't it? It's just go over the top and
It's easy. It's just getting the water drainage in the backyard that was a bit tough, but it works. It's easy.
Oh, that's nice, especially for travelling.
yeah, once you do it, then you
Oh
get
yeah,
room
that's
and
right.
you're
Yeah.
trying to
Because
get
it's
them.
I actually just use this. I changed the connections.
Yeah.
The one with the scrubber's not that great.
Oh, yeah.
Nah, the other one with just a gun.
That's nice.
Fantastic. Yeah, really good.
I'll come to
two.
you. Yeah,
There's two.
considering.
One's really
Yeah, have a
powerful.
piece
Put your hand there, it'll cut your hand off.
Yeah.
One that's real powerful is
Oh, that is
one that does the
nice.
car, another one does it. Yeah, it's really,
I'm being
really
nosy.
strong.
Love if someone's
Okay.
When you use it, put your hand in front of it.
Yeah. Really? Okay.
It comes out that powerful.
So I'm
I don't think I use that one. One was still pretty powerful, but I wasn't.
But especially when the car
One I use for
somebody
the
and
car.
it's very stronger
Another one you get
perfume.
use
Yeah, that
for
one's
the
very
fables
subtle.
and stuff
Yeah,
like
no,
that.
that's good.
Okay.
Beautiful. Oh, that's lovely.
Do you need help?
No,
No?
I've got to carry it in for you to have a taste.
Oh, thanks.
And I just made it.
As long as you don't keep it in the sand bits in the.
Yeah.
That's the big thing.
Yeah, I lost a little bit of that, but they're filled with crap anyway.
Yeah.
Made it for you. I left two.
So what's that?
You
You
got
have
to play
done?
one for you, one
Sorry?
for Danny.
What have you
For
done?
Danny.
No, it's got a. Is it good?
Yeah.
No, it just need the pavers were all stained and looking really bad.
Left for you.
Thank you.
Yeah. So yeah.
That's good.
Nice. It is nice. Cool. Thank you.
Very nice. Thank you. Malabo, what food do we have left?
No, but you are.
Do you want to say hi to my vlog, Ed?
Hi everybody!
She's so sweet.
No, you know what's sweet? Sushi mango.
Oh yeah, we watched that today. Just a little bit of it. Well, I can't really like 100% relate to it. but-
Yeah, no, it's hard if you have
Yeah.
that European.
Yeah.
But you know what?
But you can take some
I've made that, babe.
for tomorrow, okay?
I've made it. Are you gonna take it home or are you gonna eat some now?
I'll take it home. I'll take it home and play that.
Yeah.
Eat tonight.
It's potato salad.
Yeah.
So you can take.
And then
some
what's
of the
this? What's this, babe? Patties.
I'll just.
Sausage.
I love the chops.
Yeah, the chops. Yeah, they're really good. I had two.
There you go.
You had
Taking a
two.
whole
Yeah.
pile there for
Bloody
like-
3 each, mate. Not
Hello guys! We are on our way home. Hinatid lang namin si Auntie Kay sa bahay niya. And then we will head straight home kasi mamaya-maya lang magsisimula na ang Married at First Sight. Your mom's happy.
Yeah, she was happy. She had a good
Yeah,
time.
she had a good day.
Yeah.
That's the most important thing because she's the birthday girl. But now she's happy. Hindi ko na-film lahat ng food kasi alam niyo na, dumating na lahat ng bisita. Marami kami. There's how many of us? 20?
Yeah, about 20.
Yeah, 20 something. Including the kids. So there was a lot of food and still a lot of leftovers. Meron na kaming dala, papakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Yeah, but the food was really good, wasn't it, babe? Si Pete yung nag-barbecue ng lamb chops and it was good. No pork today, yeah? Yeah, I think
I might take some to.
work?
Yeah.
Yeah. Dito pa din yung lipstick ko. Nabigay ko sa kanya yung lipstick, hindi napakita kanina kasi parang nahulog ata sa sasakyan. Buti na lang sa sasakyan nahulog. Pero binigay ko na sa kanya. I'm not sure if she'll use it.
What's that?
The lipstick.
Oh, I guess she will.
Yeah, no, I told her, like, you do not have to use this at all. Sabi ko nga sa kanya yung perfume. Kung hindi mo siya gusto, wag mo siyang gamitin. Like, you know? But she's like, oh, of course I'm gonna like it. It's from you. She's so nice. Sobrang nice niya sa akin. Hindi ko nga alam kung bakit. Napaka-lucky ko naman talaga sa kanya. Yeah, she's good. And nung pag-uwi namin, she was like, did you get enough clips for your vlog? Did you get enough video? I was like, don't even worry about it. Alam niya kasi na hindi.
Did I film the present stuff? Did you check that I pressed record? Look at that.
Oh, I haven't checked yet. I'll check later.
Okay.
Pero ano kasi kapag pupunta ako doon, hindi hindi talaga ako nag-vlog masyado. Si Dan yung, i-vlog natin to, i-vlog natin to. Kapag nagpunta talaga ako doon, kasi wala lang, gusto ko na ma-enjoy lang. Tapos ayoko din na isipin nila na, alam mo yun, nag-vlog lang ako kasi nandun sila. Lalo na kapag sa bahay nila. Pero okay lang na okay. Okay na okay lang sa kanya at saka kay Pete, okay na okay lang sa kanila. Si Ev, kanina, siya yung best friend ng mama ni Dan. They've been friends for apparently more than 30 years.
About 30.
Diba? Yeah, about 30. Like, alam mo yun, hindi pa ako nasilang sa mundong ito. Best friend na sila, guys. Pero, yeah.
They've been friends longer than you've been alive.
I know, that's what I said. Yeah, I know. But no, you have a really good family, my love. Very good. Yeah. So, kompleto kami lahat doon. Nandun din yung anak ni Pete. So, yeah, nandun yung except sa dun sa anak niya na nasa Sydney kasi nasa Sydney sila eh. Pero, yeah, we're complete today, right? Aside from,
Yeah.
nandun din yung kuya and, oh my gosh, pinakita namin sa kanila yung plano. Tapos excited kami, guys. Pinakita dala kasi to ni Dan. Pinakita namin sa kanila. And, yung kuya ni Dan, your kuya, babe. What did Rock say?
About what?
About the plan?
Our plan?
Yeah.
To change the staircase location.
Yo.
And he was right.
Yeah.
If we can do it, we can do it.
Meron siyang mga good points, guys, na shinare sa amin. And ang maganda kasi sa pamilya nila, wala silang pakialam. Kasi yun, alam mo naman kapag pamilya, sabi niya talaga, ayoko nito, ang pangit naman ito, ganun ba? Like, straight to the point. He's like, I don't like it here, like, you know, it doesn't make sense, ganun. And they raised some good points. So, si Dan, pili ko hindi to yun matutulog mamaya kasi he will try and figure out how to do it. Yung staircase, kung saan siya nakaharap, sabi ni Rock, dapat ganito, ganyan. And he makes sense. So now, parang ang dami namin kailangan baguhin para lang maiba yung saan nakaharap yung staircase. So it's gonna be, you know, but sabi namin, if hindi naman namin siya malipat, okay lang naman. We have to stick to the original plan. Pero, maganda kasi yung sinabi niya. Kaya lang the way na na-design yung basta it's a bit complicated, but you know, anyway, we're heading home. We will be there in what, 10 minutes?
Yeah, 10.
Did you have fun, babe?
Yeah, no, it's good. Good day.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Good day with the kids as well. He went to the pool, nag-swimming to.
That was good.
Yeah, I know. Ano na? Is it dry now?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's dry now. Yeah, na-pool siya kasama yung mga bata. Is that you and me, babe?
That's you and me.
Aw, that's me and Danny boy.
You don't go to walks with me. You should. You should walk with me.
You go running though. You don't go for a walk. You
No,
go
I'm
for a
not
run.
going No, I go for a walk.
I go.
Actually, you want to come for a walk tonight?
Okay.
Like, we'll go on the walk. Because I wouldn't mind trying to work off some of this food and just get. I feel like a fat slob. So let's go for a walk after Married at First Sight.
Okay. Sige. Oh, that's a cool pink Audi. Did you see it?
Yeah, so
It's really pink.
some girl must have known that. Like a Barbie girl.
Barbie girl. Babe, say, what's that, guys? Alam ko na Barbie. Babe, say, alam ko na Barbie eh.
Alam ko na Barbie, yeah.
Say, alam ko na.
Alam ko na Barbie, yeah.
Like, alam ko na Barbie eh.
Alam ko na Barbie, yeah. Oh, is that my love?
Say, no. Sabi ko na. No, sabi ko na Barbie eh. Sabi ko na?
Sabi ka Barbie, yeah.
Again.
Sabi ka Barbie, yeah.
Sabi ko na Barbie eh. Sabi ko na Barbie eh. Feeling ko sinend yun sa akin ng mga kapatid ko. I don't think it's his present. Like, someone's opening the present. There's two boys. And then he's like, oh, I think it's Barbie. I knew it. It's Barbie. And it is actually a Barbie. I think it's like a present that they got for Christmas.
Okay.
And there's two boys. Just imagine two young boys sitting down, opening this present. And one boy is like, oh, I think it's Barbie. And then we're like, you know, slowly opening the present. It's like, oh, I think it's Barbie. I think it's Barbie. I knew it. It's Barbie. You know? It went
Okay.
viral. Yeah. Ang hirap i-explain, guys, ng mga ganyan sa English. Ang hirap kasi it's not that funny. It's like, it's really funny in Tagalog, but then when you translate it in English, it's really not that funny at all. Was it funny, my love?
Wasn't funny at all.
And we're home, guys. Turn it down a bit, please. Thank you. Binigay ng kuya niya. What is this again, babe?
Salami.
Salami? They made it, yeah?
It was Italian sausage. I don't know.
Italian sausage.
Salami. It could be.
Gawa nila. Who made this?
Right.
Just him?
Right, maybe Michael made it as well.
Yeah, gawa ng kuya ni Dan at saka ng mga pinsan niya. So, marami siyang dala kanina. Nagdala lang kami ng isa. Ayan, guys. Italian sausage. Alam, dala sila ng bread. Masarap to sourdough bread with butter. Oh, it's on already? For how long?
We started at 7 o'clock.
Ah, okay. Now turn it off. Then I'm gonna watch it in the app. Yeah. Nagsimula na pala ang Married at First Sight.
We'll go for
Awok na? Hindi ba na? Okay.
later.
Ito yung mga nadala ni Dan. So, potato salad na gawa ni Eb. Tapos, yung in-order namin, yung pinick up namin na order kahapon. Nandito kumuha si Dan. And then, ano yung nasa ilalim? Yung nasa ilalim, mga meat at saka mga sausage, guys. Lamb chops, sausages. Naluto na. Ayun. Lagay natin to sa fridge. Dami nilang leftover eh. Sabi ko ni. Sabi ko na dami nito. Dami nang ginawa ng mama niya. Hi guys! Wala na naman kaming pagkain for the week. Sarado na yung mga shops. Bukas ko na gagawin yung mga bags. Kasi we'll go for a walk. Ano, bubutasan natin yung mga bags, guys. Hindi ko alam. Ilalagay ba ito sa fridge? Or... Not sure. Lagay na lang natin. Yung nasa lips ko pala. Combination ng Amazonian at saka ng ruler. Kinumbine ko na naman sila. It's good. Until now, nandito pa din. Nag-dessert ba ako? Yeah, nag-dessert ako. Yung cake, hindi ko napakita. Hindi siya cake. Bali, na-forma siyang cake, pero ano siya, cannolis. Alam niyo na yun? Yung Italian na pastry. Sabi ko sa inyo, laging may ganun sa pamilya talaga. So, ano siya, may custard siya sa loob at saka may chocolate, wait. Guys, sasamahan natin si Danny Boy. We'll go for a walk. What time is it now?
Yeah, 20 past 9.
Yeah. I don't have my glasses on. Hinintay niya kasi na dumilim. Akala ko kanina pagdating namin diretso na kami. Wala. Gusto niya hintayin na dumilim. So, we will walk with the hubby boy. Alright, iwan namin kayo dyan, guys. Bye na kami, guys. Kanina pa pala kami. Tinapos ko lang yung pinapanood ko kanina before kami umalis. Pinapanood ko yung Married at First Sight. How was I, my love, during our walk run?
Scared.
I was really scared. Grabe, guys. Ibang ruta kasi yung dinadaanan niya. Sobrang takot na takot ako. Paranoid din kasi sobra ako. Sobra talaga akong paranoid. Takot na takot ako. Hindi ako takot sa multo kasi hindi naman ako naniniwala sa multo. And kung naniniwala kayo, that's fine. Like, I totally respect it. Yung kinakatakutan ko is yung tao. Yung mga masasamang tao. Though wala naman, kasi safe naman yung area. Pero, wala lang kapag madilim. Inisip ko lang, baka may nagtatago sa likod ng puno ba. Tapos, nag-aabang lang. Kasi bagong ruta siya. So, sabi ko kay Dan, wag dito ha. Wag ka nang bumalik dito kasi sobrang takot na takot talaga ako the whole time. Nakahawak lang ako sa kamay niya. Pag tumatakbo kami, kasi may times na gusto kong tumakbo ng mabilis. Kasi may iba akong feeling. Sabi ko, takbo tayo, takbo tayo. Sabi niya, weird naman ito. Natakbo tayo. Tapos holding hands pa talaga. Nakatakot. But yeah, we made it home. Meron pa kaming salubong na lalaki. And because I wasn't wearing my glasses, that made it like way more scary. Kasi wala akong makitang maayos. May nakasalubong kaming lalaki Tapos, hindi ko siya makita. Nakikita ko lang na white yung damit niya. Tapos, nung sobrang layo na talaga namin, yung sobrang layo na talaga, sabi ko, may suot pa siya sapatos? Like, hindi naman. Parang, yung ibig kong sabihin is, may suot ba siyang like running shoes? Or, alam mo yun? Yung pang workout na shoes ba? Yung pang jogging or whatever. Pero yung tanong ko kay Dan, may suot ba siyang sapatos? Sabi na, hindi ko din napansin. Baka wala. Parang, takot na takot tuloy ako. Naisip ko ba, baka masamang tao, alam mo yun? Pero, ako lang naman yung nag-iisip ng ganun. Ayoko mag-isip ng ganun kasi parang, dapat sana iisipin mo ba yung mga mabubuti sila. Pero natatakot talaga ako eh. Anyway, yun na yung vlog. Sana guys nagustuhan nyo. Please like this video if you did enjoy. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys soon. Be good guys. Good night. Bye. Good night, my love.
Good night.
Good night. Bye.